Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering proof. Bring the receipt and the garment. Once done, head straight to customer service. Do not attempt any tampering. Explain calmly that a security tag was not removed at checkout and make sure to show ID if requested. This protects you and the store. It's why staff will verify the purchase. If you bought online, have the order number and payment method handy, since those details speed resolution and prevent misunderstandings. You hand over the item and proof, then clearly request that staff remove the security device. Staff have the proper tools and procedures to do this safely, and once they confirm your purchase, the tag will be removed without damage. If the first employee can't help, ask for a supervisor. Make sure to remain calm and factual. Once the tag is removed, inspect the garment with them to confirm no damage and keep any stamped paperwork they give you. After the tag is off, retain the receipt and any written confirmation. This safeguards you against disputes. If staff won't remove the tag despite proof, politely escalate to corporate customer support or the store manager. Explain timelines and show payment records. If the garment was damaged during the incident, document it with photos and request a repair, refund, or replacement. If resolution still fails, you can consider filing a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.